How to fix Logitech keyboard not working. 1. Run appropriate troubleshooters, hardware and devices troubleshooter, msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic, keyboard troubleshooter and Bluetooth troubleshooter. 2. Connect your keyboard to a different computer or USB port. 3. Roll back Logitech keyboard driver, if you can. 4. Uninstall and reinstall the Logitech keyboard driver. 5. Uninstall and re-enable Microsoft Bluetooth enumerator in Device Manager. 6. Remove and re-add your Bluetooth keyboard. 7. Disable the selective suspend feature in power settings. 8. Other tips. Restart your device. Turn off the filter keys. Check remove or replace the keyboard battery. Check if you're using a faulty receiver. Ensure the cable is properly plugged. Update the keyboard driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Run a human interface device service. Uninstall conflicting software via Windows Clean Boot.